So we're here at Meijer today. I'm right here by the fish, and we're gonna check out all of the deals that are going on at Meijer from July 20th through the 26th of 2025, and let me show you what's going on.
Welcome to Shopping with Shana.
All right, one of the best deals going on at Meijer this week is going to be this Tyson Chicken, okay? So they're regularly priced at $8.89. They're on sale for $7.49. We have a 4 off each digital coupon, so you can grab up to 3 bags of these, or you can grab more than that if you'd like. But Ibotta has a rebate up to 3 times for $3 back, leaving these at 49 stinking cents. This is so awesome. Definitely double check by scanning your receipt or scanning your products before you purchase, so that way you know that they're hitting both the sale and the Ibotta rebate. And remember, there's a lot of different flavors here. We actually are opting to get the grilled chicken tenders because these are actually hot, honey hot ones, so we don't want those. So this week at Meijer, they have a 7 for 7 sale, which means you have to buy a minimum of 7 items and get them for $1 each. And thank you, Carmen. And of course, you can buy more than 7. You don't have to buy multiples of 7, just 7 or more. Let me show you some things that are pretty awesome. One of my favorite deals is going to be the Rockstar deal. My husband drinks these like crazy, and to pay, which this is cheap, $1.99. At Kroger, they're more expensive than that. But to pay $2 and to get them for 50% off is a great deal. So we're going to stock up. We like to grab the Pure Zero ones, so hopefully they have a good selection here. Unfortunately, they only have 4 of the Rockstar that are zero sugar, so I'm going to keep looking. Hopefully they have more at the store. Another one that's on 7 for 7 is the avocado, which I did grab an extra large avocado for just $1. My daughter decided to put it in this. What do you think, Carmen?
It's a baby.
Now, my favorite energy drinks are the Bang, and individually the cans are $2.69 each, which is kind of expensive. However, these 4-packs are normally priced at $8.59, but they're on sale for $6.99, so I'm actually going to grab me a 4-pack because they are so good. I'm going to grab the blue, but I do like both. Another really good 7 for 7 item is the 1.25 liters of soda. They're 7 for 7 as well, normally $1.69. Honestly, 2 of them together is over what you would get a 2 liter for. It'd be 2.5 liters, and it'd only be $2. And considering the price of 2 liters right now, this is a really good deal. 2 liters are $2.99, like I said. Much better deal to grab 2. You're gonna get more for less money. Carmen's rocking her baby. Guys, she's a mess. And it gets sweeter because look over here. I can only find 2 of the Diet Coke, but my store is stocked up on an end cap, so check yours out. Guys, I might seriously have a problem. There's 8 of them there. Hey, side note here, not a bad price on the Act 2 popcorn 3 count. They're just $1.49, regularly priced at $2.19, and like the Meijer brand is $1.49 regular price, so that's not bad. Check out these Lance crackers. They're just $1. They're normally priced $1.59, and it says 6 packs of 4. So my dad actually needs these for his dialysis to eat after he's gone through dialysis, so we're gonna load him up. We also have like the mini Chips Ahoy or mini Oreos, you know, in the individual packages, and then the smaller little Pringles are also just $1 on the 7 for 7. Hey, check out the candy. Do you need any candy here? We've got a lot of different choices, including the Reese's, 7 for 7, if you happen to need them. Individualized cereals are also 7 for 7. I mean, they're regularly priced $1.09. It's not a ton of savings, but it is some. If you need some coffee this week, it looks like they've got the Keurig K-Cups for buy one, get one free, regularly priced at $9.49. And then it's like the Donut Shop. And I think that's it, Donut Shop. Oh, no, wait. They have the Lavazza. I don't know all these things. Green Mountain's also included in this. I'm sure there's more there, but there you go. There's an idea for you. All right, we have the Jell-O is 7 for 7, regularly priced $1.59, as well as the pudding down here. The Meijer brand pudding is just $1 with the 7 for 7 sale. All right, guys, we have some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. These are the 18-ounce ones. They're regularly priced at $2.39, but they're just $1.50 each when you buy 2 or more, so 2 for $3. We've got the Meijer brand ketchup here for 7 for 7. So we have the Grill Mates. They're regularly priced $1.49. They're from McCormick, and they're just $1 each with the 7 for 7. We have some SpaghettiOs, a part of the 7 for 7 sale. Plus some Chef Boyardee. Some Starkiss. Just $1.
Do you like tuna?
We do have some Bush's beans here for just $1. So if that's something that you're interested in getting, you can grab them for just $1. North Sides are also part of the 7 for 7 sale. It includes both the rice and the pastas. Individual mac and cheeses from Kraft are just going to be part of the 7 for 7 sale here. The macaroni and then also the Kraft mac and cheese are going to be a part of the 7 for 7 sale. We have some Meijer brand soy sauce, both the reduced sodium and the regular soy sauce here for just $1 with the 7 for 7 sale. Not a bad deal at all. Always be sure to check your individualized coupons. I actually get a free Meijer pasta sauce with mine, so I'm going to be grabbing the chunky garlic and cheese pasta sauce for free. Cremette pasta is also part of the 7 for 7 sale, regularly priced at $1.49. So if you're needing some cremette pasta, there you go. It's even better than the Meijer brand this week, except for this kind. It looks like it's on clearance for 76 cents. So you might want to grab this one instead. Breakstones cottage cheese here is just $1. The mix-ins. Also have the Simply lemonade or orange juice for just $1. And then we also have the Milos. This is tea, sweet tea, that type of thing for just $1 with the 7 for 7. Chobani yogurt's just $1. Light and Fit or the Oikos, just $1. So Delicious dairy free, as well as the Too Good is also just $1. So I'm actually grabbing the Too Good yogurt 4-packs. They're regularly priced at $4.99. They're on sale for $4 each or 2 for $8. And there's $1 off 2 digital coupon or M-Perk. So we're going to be 2 for $7. That's actually going to be cheaper than $1 per yogurt. So this is a bit of a better deal. We have some Cracker Barrel bites here for just $1. Sometimes we get Ibotta rebates with these, so keep an eye out on that for this week. All right, we have the sparkling ice drinks for just $1 if you want to add that into the mix. We have the Bay drinks as well as the vitamin water for part of the 7 for 7. I've never seen these before, but these Lemon Perfect drinks, they have different flavors here, including up here. They're also just $1 each, so maybe worth a try. Regularly priced, sorry that's really blurry, $2.29. Hint here. Meijer waters here. We also have the Core waters for just $1 as well as part of the 7 for 7. Welch's juices, and then we have the V8 drinks here for just $1. Oh Snap pickles. Eckrich hot dogs. We have the Lunchables here. And the Armor lunch makers. Quick little treat here. The little small tiny Ben & Jerry's are going to be just $1 each. Some produce here. We've got oranges for just $1 each. This must be an amazing deal. The yellow potatoes 3-pound bag is just $1. However, check this out. They're gone. Question of the video. Do you think the potato salad here is any better or worse than Kroger's? Let me know. So we have mangoes here for just $1. Seedless cucumbers are just $1. This girl's just $1. Just kidding. She's mine. You can't have her. So I don't know about you, but I always have to go check out the clearance section, regardless of what store I'm in. And so you can find some really good deals. $7.79, not the best deal. And so we're just seeing what they happen to have. Probably not gonna grab anything. Nothing's jumping out at me, but you never know. We might find something. You've got some room and retreat lights here for 75% off, $2.50. I don't know what I do with them, but they're here. Summer beach bag is 50% off right now, just $5. And they've got a few of the same ones there. Something I am going to grab, my daughter really wants earbuds, and so these are just $1.25 at 75% off. I don't know if they're any good, but they're, cheap enough to try out. Oh my goodness, it's back to school time. Are you ready? Carmen, did you find a backpack?
No, I like the other one.
You like Walmart better, don't you? Okay, don't tell Meijer that. I just spotted the Powerade is 7 for $7 as well, so if you're interested in that, you might want to grab that. Just checking out some of the clearance items before we head out in the clothing section. So it looks like we've got extra 50% off on some of the clearance things, so you may want to check that out if you're needing some clothing. Do I spy Halloween clothing? No. All right. I think we got everything that we need. What do you think, Carmen?
Yeah.
All right, so here's our cart. We're going to be doing a transaction for my dad, including those Lance crackers, and then getting what we need and want.